Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house. And today I have the Holt Bladeworks Specter V4 liner lock here with me for a quick review. This is a 8.1 inch overall knife with a 3.6 inch long blade and 4.5 inch long handle. So very, very nice in size. This is a titanium liner lock. It's the version 4 of the Spectre. It has 3D milled titanium scales. This is the nude in a nude configuration. Beautifully done. Great looking hardware. Super slick and clean lines. I mean, guys, hello. Yeah, this looks pretty slick. If you ask me, M390 steel going on, mirror polished blade right over there. Look at that gorgeousness going on. It's really cool. I mean, sound fantastic, action just great. The grip just phenomenal. Really, guys, you can't go wrong with this one. Looks good, feels great, sounds amazing. So there you have it. If you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.